Hello everyone, welcome here. Best online courses to learn and ready for an upgrade your skills and job place. So Python is having a great vast opportunities what we are going to see now. Let's initiate. Before start, please do subscribe for more video lectures. Data science. Yes, learning Python, there is a vast libraries are readily available to crack your real world solutions and problem statements. So ensure to, if you are choosing as a career in full stack development using for data science concepts, you always prefer to learn Python. Machine learning. Yes, machine learning, as you know that what the things to be machine to do behalf of you. Yes, how it is possible? What again here a wonderful opportunities and libraries which are going to be applied using Python. Artificial intelligence. Yes, a machine can do what is the best solution for a problem statement. How it is possible? Artificial intelligence concept and algorithms and the way of problem solutions to identifying is going to becomes under this umbrella. So Python and its subordinate technologies are having this artificial intelligence vast library. And robot. Yes, robot can also be built using Python language. Now Internet of Things. Though the things are which are going to be run using Python language, the embedded program is going to be added inside a particular IoT devices. Yes, things can be done at home or Wi-Fi or any other device controlling levels. All are going to be implementing using Internet of Things. Hopefully you have an idea how to learn and what's the way to why you require to learn Python programming language. You have known more knowledge today. So thank you for watching this video session. Subscribe for more videos and you will you may identify the best suited courses. Yes, best online courses are here. Please subscribe and watch below links for online courses with the certification and lifetime validity. Schedule your way and learn. Thank you.